This is my great-great-grandmother and granddaddy on my grandmother's side. Gran's mama and daddy. Grave of my great-great-uncle Wright. He was my great-grandmother's brother. Gran's other brother and his wife and children.
That brother there was 10, 12 years older than Uncle Wright.
Mother's gonna speak now.
My mother and daddy were buried here. And my daddy was, and grand and mother were born in Obion County. And my daddy was born in 1886 and died in I got that wrong.
1881.
My granddaddy, my daddy died, born in 1881 and died in 1955. My mother was born in 1886 and died in 1974. They lived in Martin, Tennessee. And this is the Eastview Cemetery in Union City, Tennessee.
Mother.
Oh, being the walking stick.
That's Robert Morris. Annabeth's brother was killed in a gravel pit slide in 1931. He was about 21 years old when he died. It was 1931, 21 years old.
My great-great-grandmother.